Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a newsletter with Canva. Whether you're new to Canva or just want to make the process faster, this tutorial will guide you step by step. First, type newsletter into the search bar on Canva. You'll see a wide variety of professionally designed templates that are fully customizable. Browse the options and pick a template that matches your style or brand. Don't be afraid to choose something bold. You can always customize it to fit your vision. Click Customize this template to open the Canva editor. This is where you can make all the changes to suit your content and style. Start by editing the text. Click on any text box, remove the placeholder text, and type in your own content. Adjust fonts, size, and colors to match your branding. Next, replace images to fit your newsletter. Click an image, hit replace, and either upload your own photo or choose from Canva's library. This adds a personal and visual touch. You can also add elements, icons, or even embed videos and music to make your newsletter more engaging. Once you're happy with the design, you're ready to download or share it. And that's it. You've now created a beautiful, customized newsletter with Canva. Thanks for watching. Happy designing.